Hello and welcome to Greenify. In today's video, we are going to share some moments that we captured on camera and which show that how by gardening we can create spaces where not just plants flourish and thrive but also birds, animals and all living beings thrive. So this magpie is a regular visitor at our backyard, and these days it is asking for food when it's hungry. This is a lovely sight, and as you can see, it is very innocent and very much childlike and asking for food. They usually come in pair, and as you can see, they're after having their food, now they're enjoying water and splashing some water, and they're usually a bit aggressive as compared to other birds. So when they are having their food and no other bird is around, but once they are full and they're away, then rest of the birds come and they enjoy their feast. If we want to invite birds at our place, then there are three things that we need to take care of, and they are food, safety and water. And in terms of food, we need to ensure that there is regular supply throughout the year of food, and if possible natural supply like through fruit trees or berry trees. And if that's not the case, for example in our garden, as you can see, we don't have many fruit trees or berry trees. We have planted plants like amaranth, which have got lots of seeds in them, or we grow plants which attract lots of insects for these birds. Another lovely sight is this rainwater harvesting tank, which is now a place for these birds to perch and drink and take bath. And as you can see, this is not by design but something which they feel that is a safe place for them. So now we try to keep it clean and change the water by using the old water, and then the tank gets filled with fresh rainwater. The bird came 9 times for splashing water, and here it is for the 10th time, and as you can see, it is fully enjoying. And it's not just birds visiting but also nesting at our place, which again shows that they feel safe here. As you can see, this nest is in our lemon tree, which is thorny. So it indicates that if we have such thorny prickly trees in our backyard, then they will create extra safety for especially for smaller birds. Birds also like thick plants like this jade plant, which was very thick and which keeps them safe from their predators. Another visitor at our home was our neighbor's cat Tess. Just by looking at her cute ways of attracting our attention and different ways of saying meow, it used to fill our heart with so much love and joy. Well, we don't have pets, and I now feel that we don't need pets because now we have so many birds and animals to host, and it's been an absolute pleasure seeing them, and I just hope that you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you.